Learn with Jingle Kids.
Formation of pearls. Hello kids, I hope you all are doing great. Kids, have you ever seen a pearl? I'm sure you all must have seen one in your mommy's necklace or rings. Pearls make beautiful jewelry that sparkles and shines. They are often used in necklaces, bracelets, and even earrings. Maybe you've noticed how smooth and round they look, just like little treasures, right? And guess what? Those pearls were made by oysters in the ocean. Wow! Isn't that amazing? I'm sure there are many questions in your mind like what is an oyster? Is it a living creature? How does an oyster form pearls? Well, you'll get an answer to all your questions here. Let's start with what is an oyster? Oysters are fascinating creatures that live in the ocean. They are a type of shellfish, which means they have a hard protective shell around their soft bodies. In fact, they have two shells, left shell and right shell. A hinge ligament made of elastic protein joins the two halves of the shell together, and a large adductor muscle between the two halves hold them close. Oysters can be found in salty water like oceans and bays where they spend their time on the sea floor. They clean the water by taking in tiny particles like plankton and algae. Oysters are also an important part of the ocean ecosystem, and many people love to eat them too. And now, the most important of all, how does an oyster form a pearl? Here is the secret. Pearls are made inside oysters when something small and irritating like a grain of sand or a tiny piece of food gets stuck inside the oyster shell. To protect itself, the oyster covers this irritant with a special substance called nacre, which is soft and shiny. Over time, the oyster keeps adding more and more layers of nacre around the irritant. After a long time, all those layers turn into a smooth, shiny pearl that looks like a little treasure inside the shell. That's how pearls are formed. We hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to Jingle Kids. See you in the next class. Bye.